Alright guys, we got another one. Big shout out to Aquatic at Milwaukee 2 Deals Facebook group for posting this deal. Yeah, it's killer deal. I never seen this low price before. So yeah, run for these. So I'll leave you guys that link down below in the description section of the video. You got an M12 12-volt lithium brushless cordless hammer drill and impact driver combo 2-2 combo kit with a compact inflator. So you guys are getting 3 different tools. You guys know this legendary hammer drill and impact driver, more power. Yeah, definitely a really good deal as part of the special buy of the day and Father's Day deals. So somehow I think the price is messed up, guys, because I checked the daily deals on my daily deals and I do not see this price, but somehow this link has this price. Same thing with the other one, the one with the ratchet. I will leave you guys the link to that one as well. But yeah, this is unbelievable deal at 137. I mean, this is a no-brainer. I'm thinking of just buying one of these, get it as a spare. It's just a heck of a deal for 3 tools, 2 battery charger in the case. This is definitely a no-brainer. So you're getting the 1/2 inch hammer drill impact driver, getting the quarter, and do not finish this video. Just go on over. I have to make this video 3 minutes long, so my subscribers will actually, so this video will actually go to my subscribers. If I don't make this 3 minutes long, it'll go randomly to anybody that doesn't care. Well, they might care, but it just goes randomly to anybody else. But yeah, you got a 1/2 inch hammer drill impact driver. You got a M12 1/4 inch impact driver. You're getting the M12 compact inflator. You're getting the 4 amp hour battery. This is a red lithium battery. The CP2 amp hour battery. The M12 charger. The carrying case. You're getting all that for 137. That's a heck of a deal. That's what you could use this drill or impact driver on. Most powerful subcompact drill. Fastest subcompact impact driver. Most compact. Same thing with this one. So compared to other ones, yeah, definitely more compact, more powerful. And that's the size difference on a regular impact driver or a drill. Yeah, you can use this for woodworking. If you're a technician, you can use this for all sorts of driving material, screws, all sorts of stuff. Anyways, I'll leave you guys that link down below in the description section of the video. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.